Ready, start. That after hearing this tragic and devastating news, my elder son and my wife, along with her brother, lost conscious and went into unconscious stage, as it was very hard to believe that how my young son of age of 21 years can take such extreme step as he had yesterday celebrated birthday. Full stop. That as it was so informed, by my wife and my elder son and my brother-in-law present at that time, that the deceased son Ayush was found hanging, from his study desk with his knees resting on a small trolley bag, and by looking the body it seems that someone murdered my son and tied rope and wires around his neck, which was attached to leg of his of 4 feet study table, Later on, some crime team arrived and took some photographs of the crime scene. Full stop. That was informed by my wife and my elder son and my brother in law. It is also pertinent to mention here that by instant appearance of sitting posture of body has been hanged by someone else, as there may not be sufficient pressure on neck in sitting posture of person, and when height of body is more than 5.8 feet. Full stop. IIT Delhi administration since beginning of the present tragic incident, full stop, that it is highly improbable that my son can hang himself from with the table with the height of around 4 feet, as my son was around 5.8 feet tall and weighed around 75-80 kg. As it is also important to mention here that during the periods of last 4 years with his stay in IIT Delhi, not a single person complained against him about anything. Full stop. That IIT, Delhi as an educational institution, it is of utmost importance to prioritize the well-being of students, especially hailed from marginalized society. Full stop. The loss of my deceased son Ayush Asna is not just an isolated incident but a reflection of potential systematic deficiencies in the support and resources available to students facing caste based discrimination and harassment. I feel compelled to bring the issue to your attention. Full stop. That conduct a thorough investigation into the circumstances leading to untimely and unnatural death of my son Ayush Asna, and assess whether any deliberate negligence or oversight contributed to this tragedy. Full stop. That the biased attitude of IIT Delhi is also neglecting in the conduct of the IIT Delhi administration, as on the fateful night, the concerned person IIT Delhi prevented, the mother, brother and maternal uncle to follow the ambulance up to the Safdarjung Hospital and confined the aforesaid person into IIT guest house, and on 9th July 2023, ambulance booked by the person concerned present at mortuary, Safdarjung Hospital broke down midway, and adding insult to injury, replacement ambulance arrived without equipped with freezer, resultant body decomposed rapidly, and according the complainant was forced by circumstances to perform last rites in the honor of departed soul during midnight. Full stop. That the till date no FIR, has been registered against the persons responsible for tragic demise of my son Ayush. Full stop.